Hello guys, my name is Jenna and today I'm going to show you how to save different numbers to different ringtones. So I'm going to use this one as an example and I'm going to add it to my contact. So you can't save it, this contact on your SIM card because it's not going to work. It doesn't have the option. So you have to save it on your phone contact or you save it in your Google account. So I'm saving this one on my phone and I'm going to type in the name and then go down to the bottom of the screen. You're going to see an option for ringtone. Click on it and select the choice. I'm going to pick this. But if you want more ringtones for your phone, you click on this option and then click on save. So let's see how this turns out when this number calls me. So you see that it actually plays the song that I set it to play. So you can do this for as many numbers as you want. I also noticed that it doesn't work for Android version 4.2 and below because it doesn't have this option. But from Android version 4.4 and above, it actually works. So you can try it out yourself. So I'm going to show you how to save a number with a particular ringtone when the number is already saved on your phone. So I have this number here. I'm going to long press it. Then click on the edit function. It's already saved on my phone, so I can do it. Now scroll downwards to the ringtone, click on it and choose my media storage and then just on. And these are a list of ringtones on your phone, so I'll pick any one I like and then let's try this. Then click on OK. So that's how, and then I save. So when this number calls me, that ringtone is going to play. But that's how you do it for a contact that's already saved on your phone. Thank you guys for watching.